Good morning, everyone. Sorry I couldn't be there today. You're going to look at the chart that you made in the last class. I'm showing that to you now, but yours should be filled in. These questions should be answered, and right here you should have a thesis. Take that out, and then the teacher is going to give you this outline. Your thesis statement should go right here. There's reminders for you on what your thesis statement needs to include on the handout. Your first topic sentence is going to be based on the similarities between the two authors' attitudes towards immigration. So first topic sentence is similarities. You're going to take a quote, you're going to analyze it, you're going to do that again, looking at how their attitudes are similar. Put a citation in parentheses. That means a page number. Paragraph 2 is going to examine their differences, how they view these migrant workers differently. Again, 2 examples with a page number and your analysis, how you know that those authors are viewing the migrant workers differently. You're going to want to hand this organizer in at the end of class. The reminder sheet that you will get is also, not that, whoops, is also, let's see, right here. So you're going to transfer your thesis to the organizer. You're going to make sure it has the names of the pieces of writing as well as the authors, statement about the tones or attitudes being similar as well as different. And then the organizer is broken up into 2 paragraphs. Again, the first one, similarities, second, differences. You can go back to the reading and find more evidence if you need to, but you might be able to get by on what you have. And please remember, this is going to be due at the end of class, so please hand that in at the end of class. Do a good job, work hard. After lunch is silent reading, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you Wednesday. Bye!